So friends, without wasting your time, let's move towards the video. Click on new project, add a video which you want to edit. Firstly, make a sketch of lace on whiteboard. After that, acting like this. Now hold your hand in this position. Then erase a sketch by original lace and acting like this. Now we are moving towards the editing. At this place, when you pull the sketch like this, click on video and split it. Now move on the part in which we hold the original lace and acting like this. Stop your video and click on split. Delete the middle part and delete this middle part. Now your video is ready. I am going to play this video. I hope that you must like this video. If you like this video, then tell me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Allah Hafiz.